Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to check whether your Facebook page have violations in Meta. So it is very important for you to know this, especially if you want your Facebook page to be monetized. So sometimes you get violation for uploading videos that is not your own, or whether you are uploading videos with copyrighted music. So in order for you to check whether you have violations in your Facebook page, just simply follow my steps. First, kindly go to the right side here, the top right side, and then click your Facebook profile here. And then after that, once you already click that, kindly scroll down and kindly go to help and support. Kindly click that and then kindly click support inbox. After that, kindly go to your alerts. So, kindly click that. And if you have your violation or if your Facebook page have violations, so the violations will appear here in your alerts. However, if your Facebook page have no records of violation, it will appear like this: no violations. Thank you for helping keep Facebook safe for everyone. Okay, so that's it for today. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe in our YouTube channel.